a strange kind of, it has a strange kind of prestige and exhilaration when you see yourself, picked up by Amul thing, I know Makbul was picked up by that, and Pansi was picked up by that, and something, suddenly you start talking, Arey Amul mein aa gaya, Amul mein aa gaya. So I don't know what is this yardstick, but and I try to be transparent, but I never knew that I'll be so transparent that I won't be seen. So I need to come back, to reality. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I have to admit that I do feel a small sense of achievement right now that I've made it to the book. I think in the last 2 years, I've probably made it to the Amul ad about 6 or 7 times. Maybe one or two slightly controversial ones, but largely about the films. So thank you so much for that. Like I said, I think it's a brand we've all grown up idolizing in a sense. It's definitely one of India's most iconic brands, and I'm ecstatic about this association. And thank you so much for making Piku so special.
मैं ओनली एक ही छोटी सी बात बोलूँगा कि पीकू इज एसोसिएटेड अमूल एंड पीकू एंड आवर बेस लाइन इज मोशन से ही इमोशन. आई डोंट नो आप लोगों को कितना मोशन का प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. वन अमूल आइसक्रीम इन द नाइट एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यू सी हाउ योर मोशन इज. आई एम टेलिंग.
More than just from a creative point, I think it's what Amul stands for and what Piku stands for. And I think in that sense, the mood, the essence, the flavor, I think all of that is where we found a match. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think Amul, what I've noticed as a brand, has always been one of those that's very, very rooted, very traditional, very, very Indian, but at the same time progressive.
Yes, I think it's a family brand, it's a family pack, and this is a family film. So I think that there can't be any better association than Amul. I think.
Are you feeling confident? Are you feeling slightly skeptical that now that the judgment day for the film, the Friday is coming out?
See, me as a director, no, I am not nervous, because I would have been nervous when I was starting the film. But now it's gone. Now it's not in my hand, and I think whatever the people's verdict is, till now, whatever shows we had, the response from the industry has been quite positive, and that gives us a confidence. And let's see what happens tomorrow.
Ranveer Singh has tweeted a very interesting tweet. He has said that your Piku performance is like best of your career so far, and he's not being biased about it. What do you have to say about that?
I think I take it in the same way as 100 other people have tweeted it. So you should ask me about those also.